Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I have glass shower doors and I like to wipe them down to keep the water spots at a minimum. And I found these microfiber towels that seriously are impressive and absorbs the water in one swipe. But I like to first do a squeegee. Now mine lives on the hook outside of my shower, so it's convenient to me. So when I get done with my shower, I like to first myself squeeze down the glass. So I get some of the moisture and water drips off. And once I do that, take my towel and just dry it. And it just does amazing. And I don't have to deep clean my shower walls for a long time. This thing is great. So it has a dual side. This side is very absorbent and it just pulls the water up instantly. And the other side has kind of a subtle texture that helps with light cleaning, a little scrubbing. So I use it here in the bathroom. I've used it in the kitchen, mirrors, glass tabletops, and I even have one in my car. So if you want fewer paper towels, less effort, better results, less cleaning, this one's for you. Why didn't I buy this sooner? I love it.